Naga-live ko ha. Hello. Hello, Alan. Okay, so good afternoon, everyone. Sorry for this very short notice. I just find time today to have this live. So for your midterm project, let me show you again our or work. So we need to find an available, um, this one. Okay, so our midterm exam is how to process public datasets. So use any of the available public dataset found in the internet and then build your classification or prediction model. So what are you going to submit is a dataset description, screenshot of the dataset, description of the algorithm used, classification or prediction model screenshot, and the interpretation of the output. And you're going to submit a dataset file and also a screen record of how you build your classification prediction model with discussion. Okay, so how to find this for you to be able open or public data sets, you can use the Kaggle. You can use also the UCI public repositories. Okay, so as you have read our data mining lesson, we have here the we have classification, clustering, and other data mining algorithms. So when you're going to search for the data set to be used for that specific algorithm, so for example, classification, using Kaggle, makikita mo na lahat yung mga examples ng mga datasets na gumagamit ng classification as algorithm. So for example, we have here the glass classification, mushroom classification, garbage classification, Intel image classification. So merong image, meron ding data lang. So after that, pag i-click mo ito, for example, this mushroom classification, if you're going to click this one, automatically, you can get the description. So meron na siyang description agad. So meron siyang context, what is that all about? And then, originally, this is from UCI Machine Learning Repository. So you can visit the UCI Machine Learning Repository for you to know kung ano ba talaga ang description ng dataset na yon. Okay. So, ibig sabihin, si mushroom is a record of mushrooms na edible or poisonous. And then, meron siyang dataset information dito. Makikita mo. So, you just copy it. And then, after that, it has attribute information. Malalaman mo kung ilan pa lang ang attribute na. So, we have 22 attributes. Okay. And then, we have mga papers kung saan siya ginamit. And then, since it is classification, meron din siya number of instances, ilang rows ba siya, anong area siya. Okay. Okay. So, after that, you're going to download this. You can download this using nung kanina na link dito. So, download here. So, download mo ito. If you're going to download this one, automatically it will show you the file and then naka-zip siya. Okay, so question so far. Sige. Sige, question muna. Baka may tanong dito. Nag-window capture muna ako sa Excel. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to put in the live chat na lang. Hindi siya makita. Okay, so wait lang. Okay, so after that, after you download it, you're going to you will use a software for the processing. So, kailangan mong gumamit ng software. Okay. I'll just delete this one. I will. Okay. Hello, Alan. Ang Weka has its own datasets. Yes, pwede mo din gamitin. Basta as long as merong description and as long as meron siyang description and then what kind of algorithm are you going to use on it. Okay, so for the Explorer, I don't know, makikita niyo ba? Wait lang. Hindi siya makikita. This is my problem. Okay. So, after you have clicked yung kanina, ito, dito, this will appear in Weka. So, kung wala pa kayong Weka, please download one. It is just free. And then, after that, i-open mo yung file. Hanapin mo kung nasan siya. So, for example, yung mushroom, for example, kanina, ang data type, known as CSV. So, ito na siya, mushroom CSV. You are going to see this one. So, meaning, na-load na sa Weka yung dataset na ginamit mo. So, ito na siya. Okay. And then after that, since we are going to use classification, since mushroom is to be classified, either it's edible or poisonous, you're going to use classify here. And then, choose kung ano yung gagamitin mo na algorithm. So, meron sa base, merong naive base, and other, ito yung mga different types of algorithms. So, meron din tayong functions, meron din tayong rules and the trees. Okay. So, sa trees, for example, if you're going to use J48, pag i-click mo siya, and then, choose mo din kung ano yung class na for classification niya. Since yung class natin is edible or poisonous, so yung class ang pipiliin natin. Kadalasan, ang for classification ng mga dataset, class talaga ang name ng mga attribute na for classification. So after that, yung cross-validation false, you can just have the default here ng Weka, and then you click start, and it will produce the model. Okay. After that, it will have a report or summary that all of the instances is classified correctly, is 8,124, and it means that it's A dito, si A is CP, poisonous. So out of 3,916, it means that lahat sila ay na-classified as poisonous, true, walang na-classify as edible. And on the other side, si B naman is edible, walang na-classify as poisonous, sila lahat ay na-classify as edible. Meaning, the accuracy of the model created is 100%. So, ito yung meaning ng accuracy dito. Okay. So, yun siya. So, ang first nyo gagawin is kukuha kayo ng mga publicly available datasets. After that is kukunin nyo yung description. Kumbaga, i-understand nyo kung ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng mga columns, how is it created, or what does it mean. And then, after that, gagamit kayo ng software. Meron tayong 9, Weka, which is available naman siya publicly. And after that, ilo-load mo yung dataset. After you load the dataset, applyan mo siya ng proper na algorithm. Either classification, cluster, and then after that, you're going to give the description of the result. Yes, Alan. What is your inquiry, Alan? Salamat sa mga 3,000 viewers. Sino pa yung isa na naka-online na with us right now? Say something. Yes, Alan. May tanong ka, Alan. Hmm. Okay. So, Alan, sa description of the algorithm used for classification, do we only have to provide? Yes, yes. Just a short description about it. For example, J48. What is J48? It is a classification algorithm based on decision trees. So, how does it work? So, just a short description and please put also the reference about it. Meron pang mga tanong. Thank you din, Alan. Sino pa ang andyan? Say hi. Tatlo ito dito ngayon. No more questions na ba? So, again, you can use UCI, you can use Kaggle, and other publicly available datasets. Kung meron din sa Weka na you want to use, just make sure na meron siyang description and um, meron din siyang way of how it is used for data mining, the tool. And then after that, be sure also to describe the algorithm used for the dataset and give me a screenshot also of the dataset and all of the other paano mga requirements na nandun sa assignment natin. Okay, so meron pa ba? Kung wala na, i-end ko na to at 25 minutes. Okay na, Alan? So for those na wala sa live right now, you can still view this one. So i-public ko muna ito and then you can still view. Para ma-view nyo na din. Okay, salamat everyone. And if meron kayong questions, just don't hesitate to give increase in RGC. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.